Hello friends, welcome to Sashi Share, knowledgeable by sharing. Today we are going to discuss on a tool which is called SYSPREP System Preparation Tool, which is provided by the Microsoft. This tool is generally used for preparing the system for the deployment. So basically, these systems will be prepare the image and make ready so that the system image can be deployed into some other machines. So this tool, system preparation tool, will remove machine specific data and it will make the system eligible so that it will be into the mode of deployment. So to system preparation tool, it's a system prepare for imaging and deployment by remove machine specific data. Let's go into the tool. Okay, so this tool you can find from the system drive, which is your OS drive inside the Windows. If you go to system 32 folder, there is a called SYSPREP folder. So inside that you can get the tool itself. So this tool will help you to get the make system ready. For this tool to run, you need an administrative access, which will be uh, required for it. Okay, so let me run it for you. Run as administrator. Okay, once you run as administrator, you can have a box where you can out of box expense and audit mode. So out-of-box experience will make the system as a generalized form, which you can click on the generalize and it will do. So let me explain one by one. So OBS screen is the initial screen where when you install a system, so the initial screen where you want to put the usernames, passwords, regional language settings, and some other settings like network and all. So that settings will be the OBS screen. So if you want the OBS screen, then it will be selected. Okay, coming to generalize, what generalize will do? Basically, this generalize will make your system SIDs empty. Basically, the system identification number. So, security identification that it will clear up so that the system's unique security identification number will get changed. Also, the system specific data like desktop name or the desktop settings, all the wallpapers, it will get reset so that the system is uniquely identified with the image. Also, it will remove the drivers because drivers are the machine specific data, not for everyone. Coming down to the shutdown option, you will get reboot and shutdown and quit. So on system completion, what you want to do? Basically reboot, shutdown or quit. So on reboot, it will reboot the system and shutdown, it will shut down the system. So I'll keep the system as a reboot stage currently. Once I click on the OK, it will start loading of the options and it will make the system to bootable mode. So that it will be generalized, then only go to reboot mode. Okay. So regarding it, suppose you have any application installed which is user level, then the application will not give you the access to run it. Okay. How do you get to know? Basically, there is a Panther folder. You can get the setup packed, yeah, text file, log file here. You can see all your errors if you get it. Then here, for example, I'll show you one of the error. So here is the error. Okay, so big BI update entry is failed. So whenever you have any error kind of thing, you will get here and it will not allow you to proceed further. Okay, so all the logs like info, warning, errors, everything you will find here, which will help you to make your system clear and properly imaged it. Especially you have to focus there will be no UWP application because UWP application will generally install to the user level instead of all user level. MSI and EXEs can be installed because these are the packages where This will be installed to system level generally. If you want a user specific, then only you have to select separately. So that's the whole thing. Okay, that's all from the SYSPREP. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.